I'm Louise and I'm currently Watch Manager in charge of Blue Watch here at Rhyl. I joined the service back in 1994 and then I was one of the first female on-call firefighters to join the service. Then 3 years later I became the first female rank in Wales, and to this day now, seeing how many females have actually joined the service is absolutely amazing, and it's made me feel really, really proud to be one of the first. I would highly recommend a career in the fire service. All females out there, come and join us. It's a really, really fantastic job and you'll enjoy it.
Diwrnod merched Rhyngwladol hapus. Happy International Women's Day!